In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you need to open Phone Dialer, then go to the contacts and pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Timothy, the only contact that I have. Then click on Edit and tap on Add Photo. And you can either pick one from the default emojis. You can obviously pick the pose that you would like to add. You have a few more options. You can pick one from those pictures, or you can add photo from your gallery. To do it, just tap on the photo. Sorry, this one is for grabbing pictures, so let me go back. So this one is to grab a picture and this one is for picking something from your gallery. Let me choose one from recent. Now you can customize it, so you can zoom it in or off. Tap on choose once you pick the layout. Now you can add some filter. Let me leave it this way. Tap on done and click on done again. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to your contact. Anytime Timothy will be calling you, just click on done. Anytime Timothy will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.